exercise. Men's exercise. Station, move! Nice, stay down, automatically up, and go! Down! 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 Down!
as your tactical officer, I now declare the FBRC 2018-03 Class Kadasig is now on a TIS status effective today. Congratulations.
Kadasig.
Ole, 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 ole. All night long. All night long. She give me catchy. All night long. Grabe, grabe. Grabe, grabe. Gusto pa rin kita. Ay, grabe.
Kanina pa kita pinagmamasdan, bawat dalaw sa salo ng awit tinitingnan.
Kamay huwag mahiya, sige subukan mo. Mahirang lalaki na siyang pinapangarap ko. Yakap at makasayaw sa tabahan na walang katapusan, walang finale. Yan na huwag kang madadahe. Pwede na din sa tarapong lalaki. Huwag ka nang mag-iinarte. Sayang ang iyong gandang lalaki. Sige na. 369, the goose drink wine. The monkey chewed tobacco on the street car line. The line broke, the monkey got choked, and they all went to heaven in a little clap, pat, clap, snap, clap, clap. Everybody dance to the music. Right hand. Do-do-do-do-do-do.
Sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah.
너와 나의 rendezvous. 내 맘을 줬다 놨다 맘대로. 지금 내 눈은 네 어깨 무릎 봐. 숨이 딱 막힐 것 같아. 난 너만 보면 wow wow 정신을 또 now 네 매력에 난 놀라게 돼. Hit it ho. 무슨 말이 필요해. 손이 꽉 막힐 것 같아. 너 자꾸 와 이제 나만 보게 될 거야. 너를 잡아 놓을 거야. 너 점점 더 fall in love. 기다리는 난 눈빛 쏟아지는 날 touch 하나뿐인 말 my lover. 내 머리부터 뿜뿜 내 발끝까지 뿜뿜뿜뿜. 지금 보고 있는 게 꿈은 아닐 거 있고 땡땡이 치고 날 만나게 될걸 티까 매력을 보여줄게. Pick up the phone now or never. Pick up wow wow 정신없이 쿵쿵 내 마음을 뿜뿜 사정없이 또 hit it ho. 여기서 무릎에서 난 낮이나 밤이나 빛이 남이 떠나지만 달려와. 이제 나만 생각날 거야. 밤에 잠도 잘 못 잘 거야. 점점 더 fall in love.
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Edward F. Coker once said, I have no ambition in this world but one, and that is to be a fireman. The position may, in the eyes of some, appear to be a lowly one, but we know, who know the work which the fireman has to do, believe that his is a noble calling. our proudest moment is to save lives. The people and the fire officers share one common enemy, and that is fire. So today, as we recognize these fire officers who have spent months and will spend months more in training, we acknowledge their hard work and perseverance in making our community as safe as possible.
This occasion will embark a new phase of commitment and passion to our fire service. I hope that this breed of firefighters will consider this as stepping stone to reach the pinnacle of achievement in the uniformed service. I will embrace gratitude to those special people who became their inspiration. Thus, I prepare to the graduate family and friends who one way or another help this reach their goal. Kadasig class means katapatan sa dakilang sinumpaang gawain. This class have literally abbreviated in their badge name. The main principle of every fireman and woman who are made in uniform of the BFP, this is work with honesty and dignity. Thus, we expect to have 100% effective and responsible breeds of a new firefighters in your class. This recognition right is just a ticket to reach your endpoint. Further, as I recognize training, these are privileges, but do not overuse nor overdrive. They say struggle is real. I say when there is a struggle, it means you have a wonderful challenge to fight on and conquer. Remember that after every challenge, there is a fruitful accomplishment. And so, I welcome you all to our recognition rights of BRC Class Kadasig, Batch 2018-03. Once again, pleasant good morning to all of us.
Ladies and gentlemen, proudly presenting our new breed of heroes, the mighty and the brave men and women of FBRC 2018-03, Class Kadasig, in their motocross formation.
Kahit parang ang layo pa habol, kung harangan ka man, sumalakay man mga pantay, lahat kami maghihintay. Habol, habol, dehado kung dehado, para saan pag magagalos mo kung titiklop ka lang, titiklop ka lang. Matalo kung matalo, huwag ka sanang magkakamali, subuko na lang. Maagawan ka man, lalong huwag kang papipiga, kumpiyansa lang bawat bangga. Kung marina, kumanda ka na sa paglipad, pakpak natin ilalantad. Dehado kung dehado, para sampang managalos mo kung titiklop ka lang, titiklop ka lang. Matalo kung matalo, huwag ka sanang magkakamaling, subuko na lang. Ang puso ialay sa laban, kapalit ay tagumpay. Ang puso ialay sa laban. ko